That kitten's in that cage. Okay, wise bird, where's that kitten? Maybe I'm cracking up. I put that kitten outside. He can't get in. I heard that. You've got that kitten. A feline philodendron? Maybe a pussy willow? Aha! I see it. Out you go. This time you'll stay. That'll keep him out. Now where's that pair of pests? What's going on? Now it's catfish. I can't stand it. What was that? I don't believe it. I'm going kitten cuckoo. It is that kitten again. Come back here. So it's those two pests who've been hiding the kitten. You got it. Whoa! Yikes! Now where's that kitten? There he is. Huh? A 6-foot kitten? Oh, no! This is getting on my nerves. I'm leaving before I completely break up. My soup bone, food dish, rubber ball. Well, this is it. I'll hit the road, but not without my doghouse. You! And you, and you. Hey, so that's it. 6 kittens. I'm okay after all. Hey, watch it. Cut it out. Oh, they're cute. Oh, gee. Hey, guys, we got guests. So on the double, you two, hop to it. Get a dozen quarts of milk. Aren't they cute? Drink your milk. It's good for growing kittens. You guys can go out and play. From now on, I'll be the kitten sitter around here. Oochie-coochie-coo, you little darlings. Time for a nap.